it's finally time that I'm returning. But yeah, by the way, this is my friend. I'm returning now to make videos, cause someone's like making videos of me. It's Cat Plays VR. Like, you can add him on Meta, but I don't want to leak his username. But I'm sorry for not posting a while, but yeah. Like, I don't know why I didn't post. Like, I didn't have the feeling to. And I'm giving away stuff. This drill. This glitch drill. But, yeah. Well, and we're actually like I'm gonna make a video today where we're gonna play what is it? This OG Fun Monkey Horror. Like, it's like pretty terrifying. But yeah, we're gonna check out the new Creative Studios update, but first we're gonna check out the new cosmetics. The other demon update there. Symphony sets. They added a crab and a polar bear. And we're moving on the shark bundle. I think it's gonna be the crab bundle. Maybe they're gonna add a king crab. But yeah. So this is stage 1, aka a green screen. You can buy stuff here. You can turn it into blue and a perfect color and tracking markers. But yeah. Next is stage 2. You can even buy stuff in here too. But it's like a city. Maybe like it reminds me of Monkey Blocks and World Tag. Maybe like they're gonna add like where you can go tiny and then go inside of the buildings. And yeah. Next is stage 3. It's the news. You can do good news and breaking news. You can do bad news, like you can buy stuff in here too. Next is stage 4. You can go like in here and buy stuff there. Well, I actually like his room because there's a PC and there's J-Man. And yeah, he's playing Camel Company. And next is stage 5. It's like a really big room. You can put things in your stash here and build and then buy stuff here too. But yeah. Next stage closed for some kind of reason, but they got Pac-Man, I think. I don't know what it is, I kind of forgot. But they got arcade games and a picture phone. And doors. Like a lot of doors. But it's like a setup in here. Like a room. But yeah. And there's something weird, like it's like something weird for me. Cause do you see that? Like, okay, look. I go here. Let me get a teleport gun to show you it's a glitch to not like remove that wall. You just need to teleport gun or a telegrenade, like, or teleport grenade. Like, you can put it there. Okay, that doesn't work. It just goes. But look, you can just do this. But if you want to open it without like going there, you can just throw an item in there and it'll open. Like, look at this. If I take a boomerang, you don't want to get close. Just throw an item in, but it will just disappear if you're not close enough. Like, it's pretty strange, but I saw like I think they are adding a bunker map, cause this time, like, I don't know, but like I saw a video, like someone said like it's a new bunker map coming out, but what I know, this is gonna be Office, and you can even hear Office somewhere. Like, I hear Office up there. But we can actually check if Office is there. When if we just do this glitch. But Office is not there. Okay, I think it's actually off because of look. Well, they're like opening like oh, but that's kind of weird because it's the like onto that bunker is like studios, which is like pretty weird. But yeah, they actually added these new packs. The peel pack gives you the Wiggly Banana Peel Tail and company coins, and the best one of them all, the Galaxy pack, gives you Alien Eyes, Galaxy Gear, and company coins. And yeah, but I forgot to look, I want to show you guys something they added in here. If you see like people with floaty item, like you can just go here and get one yourself. You can just they make you like swim to the surface. But yeah, they're like they're pretty cool. The problem is like you can just go through and not like real life, but that's okay. But yeah, you can like roll a bit, but yeah, that's it. Oh, I forgot. They had like this Xbox, and like you can see Office right there, and like a leaderboard. But that's it for the video now. See ya.